Welcome to yet another edition of Carol's Kitchen GT, the show. Now, a few weeks ago, we did black pudding, and we thank you so much for the tremendous support in watching that video and your interactions as well. So, in most of those comments, I did see people asking about the white pudding, so we decided to make some white pudding today. We're about to start, but before we do, let me just thank my sponsor, Sterling Product with Igloo Ice Cream and Golden Cream Margarine, of course, which I will be using in the kitchen today. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Friendship is the one thing I could never live without. How long has it been? 15 years? 16 years, girl. We have been friends ever since that day you appeared out of nowhere with my favorite. The good old days. So much has changed. Well, not everything. Igloo ice cream is still our #1 comfort food.
Igloo ice cream. Igloo ice cream.
Igloo ice creams, making moments a magical memory.
Cleaning power like no other, Mighty Foam dishwashing liquid cuts through grease and grime every time. For great fragrances, Mighty Foam dishwashing liquid gets your dishes spotless and is gentle on your hands.
So today we're going to make some white pudding. We have the shine rice, as we call it here in Guyana, already cooked and ready to go. And now we're going to add the seasoning. Now this seasoning, with white pudding, you have to put extra seasoning. So the rice itself was cooked with some, and now we're going to add some extra seasoning, which is made up of marigman pork, thyme, which is fine thyme, thick leaf thyme as well, some pepper, some shallots, garlic blended up. All the local seasonings you can possibly think about that is used to make this dish is in there. What we do instead with the white pudding is that we pour or we mix coconut milk, some extra coconut milk. Now the rice has already been cooked with coconut milk, but instead of using the blood, like I said, you put a little bit of coconut milk in there instead. So it gives it the right consistency of the rice. So when you're going to stuff the runners or the tube, or in some countries they call it the tube, some people call it the animal part, some people in Guyana here we call it the runners. So when you're about to stuff the runners, it makes it easier for the contents to get into the runner. So now we're going to put the stuffed runners in a pot of boiling water. You have to do this to ensure that the runner itself cooks, because it's raw as it is right now. The rice is cooked, but the runner has to be cooked. So just to make sure that the white pudding or black pudding don't dry out too much, you can use oil or you can use margarine. In this case, I choose to use Golden Cream Margarine as usual. That's one of the staples in my kitchen here. Thank you to Sterling Products for giving us all these beautiful samples that I use in the kitchen, and also for your sponsorship of the show. So Sterling Products, Golden Cream Margarine, can't go wrong.
It's here! Igloo Ice Cream Fruit Bars. 4 mouth-watering flavors. Mango, pineapple, strawberry, and soursop. A beautiful combination of real fruit and igloo ice cream. Go old school with fluty popsicle. Classic flavors and refreshing goodness. Available at Igloo outlets and all your favorite shops.
With 70% ethyl alcohol, Mighty Foam Hand Sanitizer eliminates 99.99% of all germs and even moisturizes in the process, leaving your skin clean and hydrated. Mighty Foam Hand Sanitizer. How do you stay clean? Igloo Premium Ice Cream. Not all good things must come to an end.
Welcome back. So there you have it, guys. We have delicious white pudding in front of you. This is going to be my lunch. Well, our lunch, me and the crew's lunch. Like I said before, and I say in every single show that I have, there's different ways of doing things. There's my way and then there's your way. So please, guys, don't bash me in the comments. Please, if you have, I like to hear your comments. I like the interactions. I love everything about you guys. I love the following. Please encourage your friends to follow more. Send positive comments and be safe out there. Thanks for watching. See you next week.